got me a present? It's for you, Michelle. You gotta open it. There's something inside for you.
Something inside for you, Mommy. Oh, a doll! A doll. I love that baby.
You love it?
Yeah.
What are you gonna name her?
The baby.
Yeah?
I made that cup for me.
Wow.
I got me that cup, Daddy.
Alright.
I got a dolly too. I got a dolly too.
Wow.
It's a baby.
It's a baby, yep.
Very nice, huh? Are you excited?
I'll some juice, Daddy.
Okay.
Okay, let's open some more presents.